Welcome to MBBS Council. Dr. Pritish Kumar, along with many other candidates, filed case against National Board of Examinations, mentioning discrepancies in NEET scores. In fact, they are challenging the transparency in conducting NEET PG examination. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel now to get latest updates on NEET counseling. NEET PG exam results were released on 1st June. MCC just released the counselling schedule. Many NEET PG candidates requested for answer keys and question paper for NEET PG 2022 because their expected marks and their result are completely different. When candidates filed RTA requests to get the question paper and answer key, National Board of Examinations had refused to give answer keys and question paper, mentioning that it comes under the section of 24 of RTA Act. In fact, they had refused for re-evaluation. Petitioner also claims that the other prestigious examinations in India like NEET UG has provisions to release answer key and the actual OMR sheet for verification by the candidate. They ask why it is not done for NEET PG examination. The petitioner prays to Supreme Court to give direction to NBE to release the NEET PG question paper as well as the answer key for NEET PG 2022. Petitioner also urges court to form a high-level committee to examine these discrepancies and ensure fairness and transparency in the evaluation. An interim petition was filed on this case to stay the NEET 2020 PG counselling, which is planned to be conducted on 1st September 2022. But Supreme Court refused to stop NEET PG counselling as it will create far-reaching consequences. This brings us to the end of this video. If you have any doubts regarding NEET admission counselling, comment below. See you in the next video.